By the time this video will be posted, it's going to be sometime in July. So we're going to start here on my back patio. What we have right now still installed is the 42-inch Minka Air Sundance, and it's running on its medium speed. This fan is actually set to be replaced. At some point, I have a brand new Gulf Coast patio fan that I plan on putting out here. So in the living room, we still have the 52-inch Gulf Coast Dixie Belle in the antique white finish with antique white blades made by Sinlix from 1987. The only notable difference now with this one is I did extend the pull chain just because my wife can't really reach the fan and she wanted to use it to turn the speeds up higher in case it got really hot in this living room. I don't plan on changing this fan out at any time in the foreseeable future, but we shall see when the time comes if I do decide to do that. And in the dining room, we still have the 52-inch Emerson Tempest ceiling fan. This one is set to be replaced at some point. By the time when the next video of the installments of my house posted after this one, you may see a new install here. So, but for right now, I'm still keeping it up as I really like this fan, and it's probably one of the best sleeper Emerson fans that I genuinely do own. So it's a solid fan for what it is, and I really like the look of it, especially with this round globe. Now in the garage, I still have my Sonica or Oneida in here. I don't know if I'm gonna take this down yet or not, but we shall see. By the time the next video is posted, like I was saying, there may be some more changes in this lineup, but for right now, I'm keeping this one up as it's a pretty good fan for the garage, and I like the spotlights these has, as well as the generic GE vents. And obviously you can see the spotlights do work and such. But one cool feature is this fan is 4-5 blade adaptable, and I don't really have much else to say, but it's a good garage fan for what it is. Now we're gonna go ahead and go on to the second floor. Like I said, I'm still planning on putting fans here. Honestly, I'm just gonna probably need my wife's approval, but hopefully she don't mind. Because it would be nice to have some 38-inch Charleston and a 29-inch Northwind in that spot. We'll go here. So in this bedroom, we have the 52-inch Hunter Biltmore ceiling fan. This one may be getting replaced as well. So whenever like I said in the downstairs, whenever the next video of this series is posted, you may see something different here, but this is gonna be posted next month. So stay tuned. But for right now, I like it, but this thing was a pain in the absolute ass to install because of that canopy right up there and the way that the mounting of that canopy works. It's just an absolute pain. But she turned out gorgeous, and I really like it. So it's from, I think, I can't remember what I said, like 1987 or 89. It's somewhere in the 1980s. I do know that much. In the spare bedroom number 2, we have this Mega Fans is what this is. 48-inch spinner. This thing has a pretty beefy fucking motor to this thing, and It was one of my recent finds from a restore trip down to basically I-95. I really can't complain about it. It does pretty well here, and it's a lot powerful than the Hunter I had here. Even though I really like the Hunter, but who knows? That preference definitely could be a contender for another fan spot or whatnot. But we shall see. But I really do like this spinner. Like, it's a good fan, and it's a good quality fan at that. So, and then we're still gonna go to my bedroom, and these fans have not changed and probably won't for quite some time. We still have the 52-inch oil rub bronze Gulf Coast Dixie Bell. Like I said, I don't plan on taking this one down anytime soon. You could see the arched end blades. Yeah, they need to be cleaned, but it is what it is. But I really like this fan, and like I said, I have no means of replacing it anytime soon. Unless I change my bedroom furniture, then I may try out a white Gulf Coast Meridian, which those fans are going to be discontinued. So I might try to get the display model from Dan's Fan City if they do mark it down. That'd be honestly a cool feature, cool fan to have here. And last but not least, my closet. We have this 30-inch Fasco Vanity Fair. I have no means of replacing this at all, and nor will I. This thing is absolutely perfect here, and is by far one of my favorite installs in this house. And I'm still very glad that I have this thing. If I found a second one, I would consider doing a hallway install with the second Vanity Fair and adding a Charleston at the end of the stairs. That would be like the perfect hallway install in my eyes. But yeah, these are the installs that we have currently. This is Ginger Fan Studios. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Have a great day and take care.